Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today, we are going to start the new chapter, seventh chapter, Getting to Know Plants. In this earth, different life forms are present around us. For example, it is plants, animals, and insects. So each organism or the each living or things in the earth, they have the different body parts, and all the body parts will have the specific role to perform. First, we are going to learn about the plants. Okay, so in this chapter, getting to know about plants, you will be learning detailed about the plants. First, we have to learn the parts of the plant. Okay, right? So this is a plant. First, we are going to learn the parts. Okay, the first, it is the plant. It is divided into two. That is a root system and shoot system. Below the soil level, it is root system, and above the soil level, it is a shoot system. Okay. So below the soil level, it is root. So this part, it is root. Okay. And next, above the soil level, it is the stem portion. Okay. This portion, it is stem. And next, it is the leaf. Okay. And flower. So these are the parts which is present in the plants. So root, stem, leaf, and flower. In this chapter, you will be learning a specific role of each part in detail. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the types of plants. In our earth, we have the different kinds of plants, varieties of plants we can able to see. So these plants are differ by one another by their appearance. Okay. The plants here, it is divided into three categories. It is herbs, shrubs, and trees. The first category, it is herb, and next to the herbs, it is shrubs, and last, it is trees. Okay. The first category we are going to discuss now, herbs. In herbs, the plants are very short. Okay. It is up to the ground level. Okay. It is very short, and the plants, it is green, and they have the soft delicate stem, that is tender stem. Okay, and they won't have more number of branches. Okay, they won't have more number of branches. So these are the characteristics of the herbs. An example for the herbs, it is tulsi and mint. Okay, so these are the examples of the herbs, and these are the characteristics. And next, the second category, it is shrubs. In shrubs, they are taller than herbs. They are taller than herbs. Okay, and here they are hard. The stem, it is hard, but it is not very thick. Okay, not thick. The stem, it is hard, but it is not very thick. Okay, and they have some branches. Okay, small branches. An example, it is rose and hibiscus. Okay, so this is about the shrubs. And next, last category, it is trees. Here, trees are very tall. They have the hard and thick stem portion. Okay, hard and thick stem. Okay, next, they are brown in color. The stem, it is brown in color. And they have the branches which is present in the upper part. Okay, upper part of the tree, branches present. And examples for trees, it is neem tree, mango tree, and banyan tree. Okay, so these are the characteristics of the trees and example. And these are the three categories of the plants, that is the types of plants: herbs, shrubs, and trees. Apart from these three categories, that is herbs, shrubs, and trees, we are having the another one type of plant. It is creepers. Creepers. In this category, the plant, they have very weak stem. Okay, they have weak stem, so they cannot grow upright, that is an erect position. They cannot grow upright. Okay, and for example of creepers, it is a pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, the example, it is pumpkin and watermelon. These plants, they just spread on the ground and they grow. So they cannot able to grow in upright position because they have the weak stem. And another category, it is called climbers. So these plants also have the same weak stem, and here they get the support of the neighboring plant. Okay, they get the support of neighbor plant. They get the support of the neighbor plant and they grow. For example, money plant. So this plant will come under the category climbers. They get the help of the nearby plant or any other stand. They can climb on that, so that they are called as climbers. So next, it is about the weeds. Have you heard about the term weeds? What is this weeds? Weeds are nothing but the unwanted plant which grows near to the crop. It is the unwanted plant. Unwanted plant grown, that is grown near to crops. Okay, so the unwanted plant, that is unwanted plants which grows near to the crop, they are called as weeds. You can often find this term with the farmers. They will be telling that to uproot the weeds. Why we have to uproot the weeds? Because the nutrients which we are providing to our crop, it is utilized by the weeds in much, so that we have to uproot the weeds, or else we can't able to get a good yield of crop. Okay, this is about the weeds, and this is about today's session. Thank you, children.